Hello my Stitchlings and welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell, I've been super sick. So we've missed quite a few days of opening our yarn advent calendar. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and open up a couple days of it, play some catch up, and I'll play catch up in my next video as well so that we can get back on track. So sorry about that, but it was like the literal plague. I'm not the only teacher out sick at my school. All the kids are out sick. It's craziness. So we're just trying to get to break. Now let's go ahead and move on to day 7. Right up here at the top. Ooh, just some deep blues and purples. I feel like this screams Octopus. Here is our finished little Octo baby. I think this came out adorable. I will definitely be making more of these. I love how simple the tentacles were, and they really look so cute in variegated yarn, so awesome success so far. Thank you so much for watching days 6 and 7. 6, 7? I teach first grade, so sorry. Thanks for watching days 6 and 7. I will see you in my next video for days 8 and 9. Thanks so much for watching.
What should I put at the end of my video?